I'll give you some insight. You probably noticed many times that girls like low and clear male voices. And when a girl chooses a boyfriend, she'll give preference to the one whose voice is the most pleasant to her ears. This way, the side effects of having a trained voice are: you have a greater influence on people around you, more fast career advancement, you're more successful in selling your services and products. And now listen carefully to what I'm about to say. Brain scientists have long known that women's center of arousal is located near the center of speech. That's why a nice, low, velvety male voice turns them on as much as cute blue-eyed girl standing on her knees in front of you turns you on. Now, when you know all this, you have a chance to easily get what you want, and to be more successful than guys who try to win girls' attention with money and favors. Some people are lucky enough to be born with good diction, but we're gonna be on top anyway, because those who are lucky don't develop it, and in the long run they'll fall behind. The first exercise is called vocal fry. Sit up straight, shoulders down, and imagine that the very bottom of your belly is a deep lake. And then all of a sudden the bubbles rise up out of that lake. They go through your esophagus, your chest and throat, warming everything around you. Let those bubbles out by relaxing your throat and saying the words vocal fry. It's gonna be like this: vocal fry. Do this exercise for 4 minutes every day, and over time your vocal cords will automatically move into that position, making your voice deeper. Now let's talk about diction. In case you didn't know, starting with tongue twisters is a mistake, which I made myself on my own way of improving diction. It's like starting to pull 600 pounds deadlift when you don't know the correct technique. Nothing good will come out of this. That's why I'm going to show you the most effective exercise, which will work out your jaw, tongue, and lips for 3 minutes a day. In other words, all the muscles that are responsible for your speech. You'll find it in my Telegram via the link in the description. Now I'll show you a very simple but highly effective technique called ecclesiarch reading. It simultaneously works out your jaw, tongue, and lips. In other words, all the muscles that are responsible for your speech. Take any kind of text, just a regular text, not a tongue twister, and read it slowly, pronouncing each syllable, each vowel, and consonant. Do this exercise for 2-3 minutes a day. There's no point overdoing it, especially in the beginning. As a result, you'll apply a strong tension on your facial muscles. I'll tell you a secret: you've never really strained them in your life up to this point, so painful sensations may occur. Focus on the quality of performance. In other words, it's strictly forbidden to swallow syllables. And of course, it's better to record yourself on a voice recorder to hear on which syllables you're struggling and practice them individually. After the exercise, try to open your mouth as wide as possible, relaxing all the facial muscles, cheeks, lips, jaw. This will relieve tension and accelerate the progress of speech improvement. You don't have to increase your reading speed right away. The key to the exercise is to pronounce each sound correctly. Over time, just add to this exercise the vocal cord positioning that I explained in the vocal fry exercise. And subscribe to my Telegram. There's a lot more helpful information that you can use today.